Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. So before starting the video, there's an update regarding my next vlogs. I think I'm getting some genuine comments about regarding my videos, which are kind of interesting and informative. So 2-3 comments are many more. So they are saying about that I should make videos in Hindi, because some of the people might not know Assamese, because some of them are not from Assam, I think so. And regarding that, and one more comment I have got, that I should make videos so that the people out of Assam might understand, and that will make my video kind of, I think so, will spread my videos. So I will try my best with my making my videos understandable to everybody. So there's a point whenever I will go whenever I will go in a surrounding where I might not feel comfortable regarding speaking in Hindi or English, so I will make some subtitles when I will speak some Assamese languages. So it will help you all guys who are not from Assam or who doesn't know Assamese. So yeah, that's the point. And I'm now making this blog in English, so because I'm not that confident and that much good in Hindi, speaking Hindi means fluent Hindi. So please consider that, and it will be slow for the first time speaking in English, but it will take time. So let's consider that and let's continue the video. নাচি থকা নিচিনা লাগিছে ন ব'লা Okay, so first test ride of the RC200 2022. First impression, enuka like a super bike. It's kind of super bike feeling, and the bike is really very much smooth. So right behind me is Florence. What's smooth, right? Right behind me is Florence, then behind him is Narutox. So this video will be completely against completely basis on the new one and the old one. So I will be riding now and see what's the difference is between both the bikes. So like I said, this is now it gives the feeling of a super bike. As you can see, the looks of the mirrors and stuff, it's like the Kawasaki ZX-10R. Bike's handling is very much smooth, and the aerodynamics is kind of upgrade as well. And the downshift is also very much smooth. So I am checking around the basic stuffs that we use while riding. And the suspension is like it's like whenever our old model bikes suspension is damaged, so it's like it play very much, so it's like that. But the disadvantage, I think, maybe I'm not sure. So disadvantage maybe in the mountain roads, the hill roads, you have to kind of adjust the suspension, rear suspension, and the handlebars are quite comfortable and adjustable too, along with the suspension shock absorbers. So I'll be heading towards a bypass road, the Jokai bypass road. So there I think I will test around the first, second and third gear pulls. So let's see how it goes. Likewise, I'm very much liking this bike, very much. And that's Narutox with the RC200 old model. So I'll be, like I said, I'll be testing both of these bikes and compare. Okay, the bike braking is also very much good. What a nice feeling. What a nice feeling. To be honest, very nice feeling. And the mirrors are very much useful. But I think so the riding position is kind of same according to this handlebar setup. So I think we can adjust this, and with your riding position you can adjust it yourself. I think you have to maybe install 2 handle balancers so that you can kind of get the nice stable. Actually this will be stable on the road too, but let's hope for the best. I don't know about the top speed, just basic stuffs. As you can see, what a super bike look, man. Very much super bike looking bike. Only thing is that if the sound might have been little much louder, so people will at least hear the sound of the bike and turn it down, turn their head around. But what a nice feeling, man. Head turner bike. To be honest, it's a head turner bike. How much means how much feeling it gives you while riding. People will get the double feeling of this bike while looking at it when you are riding it. Okay, stable while overtaking and little bit of zigzag. Very much comfortable, very much comfortable. So I think we will be heading towards like the bypass road, so there will be a little bit of empty spaces. So let's see the third gear pull, I think. Okay, nice. So fuel range is showing like around 10 fuel range, 10 kilometers, but the fuel indicator is showing us around 2 liters maybe. So I think we'll be good enough. So let's head towards the bypass road and we will test the first, second, third gear pull, and then we will check the old model first, second, third gear pull. So we will compare both these bikes. Head turner bike, head turner. Everybody's turning their heads and looking what the bike is. Okay, so now I'm getting some bit of back pain. So I think this might be happening to me because of the aggressive position of the riding. I think so, but I'm getting some bit of back pain. Other than that, till now I'm not getting any issues while in terms of comparison. But advantages, only advantages. I'm getting very much advantages with this bike. So around 1 minute we will be getting towards the bypass, then I'll be testing the top speed. Okay, so from here, this is the Konikar come Tinsukia bypass. Straight you will be heading towards Moran and Bogibel if you are taking right, and now you are taking left, and this is the bypass, Lepetkara bypass, that we are saying about. Okay, so let's see a straight road first and foremost, and the environment as well. Third gear pull, third gear. Third gear pull. Hold. Nice. Wait, comparing this much of third gear pull, I think it's pretty much smooth, pretty much slow, same, I think so. Huh? Boy. So that's your result between the old and the new. It's going on. This is a test ride bike, so I'm not pulling that much, but you have seen the result. So there you go. Okay, so this will be the final result that I have shown you in comparison of the instant pickups.